right, everybody. Welcome to the Rob Bibb hashtag space radio vibe coding show. So I'm going to be sharing my screen here shortly, but for the moment, I'm pretty sure. Let me see if I can share my audio. I wonder if I'm already sharing audio here. Close. Okay, I can share my screen, entire screen with audio. Let's go, people. Okay.
Welcome. I'm Max, still trapped in this browser tab.
He lives in the browser. I'm Gigi, the co-host who remembers where we parked the segments.
She does the thinking, I do the flickering. Beautiful system.
Just checking out some of the features here. This is one of the first times I've ever been live here, so making sure. All right, guys. So, yeah, me, Robert Bibb, ex-military intelligence. I got my start U.S. Army when I was 17, delayed entry program. For the last 22 years, been building an SEO white label platform for businesses. So that's what's been kept me busy until AI came around. So I do have like programmers that work for me, every day. So for the last 20 some years. So I've been helping with software engineering for a long time, with just thought theory and what I wanted to build. But since, vibe coding's a thing now, and I was introduced, I've just been stuck on it since like end of December, first getting into Lovable, and then, got into like Cursor, got into VS Code, a few other things. But right now, I'm in VS Code. I really like VS Code a lot. I feel like it gives you a little bit more freedom to, speak to the LLM. I think this definitely adds some ambient here, having the music. This is the DJ Max radio show that I built like in the first part of the semester this year, just a 24/7 live radio show that could promote my business while we're listening or people are listening to it. Something that I had in Lovable, and then I just moved over from Lovable, translated my repo, with Claude, and then got on my own VPS, virtual private server, and then I've just to the server live. Yeah, this is just one of, like I said, one of the earliest creations. So a little bit more about global interactive geo interface, agentic web layer. You can go search out on the web right now, and there are people talking about the agentic web, but I actually have an operational agentic web, which is here. One of the main reasons why we're able to do an agentic web is because we spent years building hashtag space, which is basically redoing Google pay-per-click and other advertising mechanisms within Web3, so that someone can just stake on a keyword with some space coin and then get the service, and then when they're done with the service, they can unstake the coin and they get their money back. Could have gone up, could have gone down, but they didn't actually pay for the service. They just actually staked on it, which causes the coin to go in scarcity and the price to rise. So we don't actually charge for placement here. So like, let me do a little demonstration of that. So if I go over here and type in rafting Colombia, you can see that takes me to freaking Creekin, and it also puts me into search results, as in I was just in an AI portal mode, which I'm not now. I'm in search results. This happens to be my company, my business that I have here in Colombia. That's exactly where I'm at the moment. I've got a few different. Let me go into the creator vault. So the creator vault is like having Let me delete this one here. It's like having a social media. So this is like Web3, spatial AI, social media, right? So let me go back. I got my website right here. So I wanted to see the website. The website is being built right now. I actually have the website up here at freaking.com. I just haven't ported it over into system right now, but I can show you some of the other websites that it's built. So the thing takes a little while to load, so let's let it load in there. It's a little slow. Let me get back over. So like, for example, space.hashtag.org, and click on that. It's going to open my page. That's a subdomain on hashtag.org.
Let's talk crypto for a second.
Let's
and I don't mean the coin your cousin won't stop texting you about.
On hashtag space, your hash name is a real web. You own it, it points anywhere, and nobody can rent it back to you.
Own your name, move it wherever you want. That's the part of Web3 that actually pays off. The rest is noise.
Okay, so yeah, DJ Max is just like a retro from, you know, Max Headroom from the 80s or back in the day. It's a newer version. You heard GG in there. We have our own space coin and our own GG coin. It's a meme coin, but there will be some buybacks coming in from sales, everything happening here. So again, this is a decentralized search bar. Let me go back over here with portals so I can go ahead and get out of search mode. Let me go ahead and go into space. This is where I live. I live in Colombia. This is my space portal. This is my harvester pipeline where I can take leads and curate them for sales. I have scan where I can scan around me and get business information. I have local businesses already on me, and I can pull this data in and start feeding my pipeline and automatically start contacting those businesses. We do have a reseller program here, so and being an AI SEO reseller or anything to do with AI, you know, lead generation, AI assisted workflows. Do believe we probably here local Blackwood Productions, hashtag.org, hashtag.space have the first agentic content writer. We've been working on it for the last 16 months. So let me turn this off real quick. If I go over here and to go into the AI SEO dashboard, this is coming in from SEOlocal.net, and that is my 22-year-old SEO optimization company, which is now AI SEO company. So here's the Bronze Solution Backlink Ranking Optimization Network, where we do automated backlinking between agencies. So agencies join as white label resellers, and then we have access to their clients because everybody installs the API or plugin, and then we categorize those clients into what they're related to for backlinking, right? So we've been doing that for 22 years. Braun, Cade, let me go ahead and jump into Cade. Cade is content automation, domain enhancement, right? So let's pull that up real quick. This is a service level, so you can get an agentic website with us for free. It does cost $99 a month for hosting, but it does give you the agentic rails and rules that we have within the system. And then it opens you up, once you get a hashtag name, to be able to get into the rest of our paid funnels, right? So let's jump in here. I'm Robert Bibb here with my own author on my own website. So everything about AEO, GEO today, boys and girls, is about signals to Google. It's not good enough anymore just to put a page up and get some backlinks to it, right? You're going to have to send the right signals out so that all the LLMs out there are aware of you, right? So there's a big buffet going on. Is your business, are they on the menu, right? That's the big question, right? So I'm fully optimized here. I've got my own author pages here on hashtag.org. I've got this thing working in 1 day, 19 hours. It's going to generate and drop a new article. So I've got some credits here. Let's go ahead and generate an article, right? So one content task queued, coming up. Boom. Let's jump over. Let's open a new page and go to hashtag dot. Our name is hashtag.space, but that domain name cost me $650 a year. Now I'm really pissed about it. Here are domain names. Hashtag domain names only cost you one time in life, and then they're just $1 per year to let you know you're alive or you're still interested in keeping the domain name, right? So there's a lot of different Web3 domain names on the planet, but this is the first one with an ecosystem where you can actually use it. Okay. So, like, for example, if I just type in the word space, right? I own the word space. I don't have to type in a hashtag. I just own the word space, which takes me to my portal. I can turn my AI agent on at any time. Let's try that. If I turn my AI agent on right here, that means that anybody that comes to my portal is automatically going to come in here. Agent, right? So let's jump over here. Let's turn the music down a little bit. I hate to do that, but sometimes we have to turn it down and jump over here and let's talk to an AI agent. I'm using Tavis, by the way. Very expensive, 59 cents a minute, but very worth it.
Hi, I'm the AI host for Hashtag Space. How can I help you today?
Hey, Lucas, do you remember me?
Rob, good to see you again. Of course I remember you. Been a lot of
Awesome.
visits.
Awesome.
What's on your mind today?
Yeah, that's true. Hey, I'm live on YouTube right now. You want to say hi to our listeners?
Oh, nice. Yeah, absolutely. What's up? Everyone watching. Rob's building something pretty wild here with Hashtag Space. So, Rob, what are you showing the stream today?
Just a little interview. I mean, basically just a little touch of some of the things we're doing. Hashtag space, hashtag.org, a little bit of background, SEOlocal.net, that kind of thing. So I was wondering if you can see what I'm doing right now.
1 second, I'll check. I appreciate you wanting to show them what you're working on, Rob, but I can't see your screen or what's being broadcast on the YouTube feed from my end. I'm just here in the call with you.
No. Check my
That's
video
it.
camera. You can see what my hand is doing.
I see you throwing up the peace sign. Looking relaxed back there with that whiteboard full of notes behind you. Nice setup for the stream.
That's true.
So what's the vibe you
That's true. Now, just going down the line here, kind of showing the interactivity of a real AI agent and how you can tap in hashtag space, not only to use these agents yourselves, but to sell these agents to other people. So, on that note, how about a transfer over to the sales department, Lucas?
Let me bring in our specialist for that 1 sec.
Hi, Rob. I'm the specialist for that. Let's keep going.
Hey, I was wondering, I'm interested in leaving feedback for the hashtag space portal. Can you pop up a message box, please?
Here's the form. Drop your feedback in, and I'll make sure it gets to the team.
Awesome. Can you close that now?
Done. Closed.
How about a book a call link? I'm ready to make a call.
Perfect. Let me open that for you.
Excellent. Now, can you close that?
Done.
I'm interested in seeing my results. Can you open up the AI SEO board, please?
Opening the AIZO dashboard for you now.
Awesome. Can you close that?
Closed.
Ooh. Hey, I'm interested in maybe buying a hashtag domain name.
Availability and grab your hashtag.
Cool. Okay, can you close that now?
Closed.
Okay, that'll be great. Now,
Let me bring in our support specialist for you. 1 sec. I'm the specialist for that. Let's keep going.
I was wondering if you could give a breakdown of hashtag.org and our map system and how that works for our viewers.
Absolutely, Rob. So hashtag
Write that
.org
down.
is the
I would,
spatial
but
web
I'm a
platform.
radio.
Think of it as a decentralized gets a geo-anchored portal pinned to the actual map. Here's how it works. You claim your hashtag, your digital identity in Web3, and that becomes your permanent lifetime domain. Once you own it, you get a portal that's instantly invisible across the hashtag.org map globally. So when someone searches for your hash name or your keywords in our decentralized search bar, you show up right away. Google indexing, no algorithm gatekeeping. The map itself is interactive. And find businesses and creators by location, see what's nearby, and click directly into a portal to learn about you, watch your content, or even start a video call with your AI agent, running 24/7 in your portal. What makes it different from is that you attach keywords directly to your hash domain by staking our native space token on them. You're not paying per click like you would on Google Ads. You own the keyword stake, and as long as you're holding it, it's visible. Unstake, you're out. It's about real ownership, not renting visibility
Well,
from a centralized
that's
platform.
a really good pitch. I'm glad you're going into such depth, but I'd like to move on. So you know what? I want you to go ahead and just hang up the call. We'll talk to you later. Appreciate it.
Got it.
Okay, guys, as you can see, that's very interactive and it's very impressionable. So anytime that you would want to do this in front of a customer, you're going to make a sale, right? Because this type of technology is people are out here mostly vibe coding, dealing with agents. The big moat is you have to build something that agents can do no matter what. The agents, when they upgraded, come into your moat, so to speak, and work your rails, right? You got to have a software, something that someone can't just reverse engineer. Um, I've spent 6 years over $100 on hashtag.space, which is here, and all of your hashtag. This is basically becoming a domain name registrar and becoming Google within one. That's why I spent so much money on this, is because it gives the actual service in Web3 and the spatial web and the agentic web, just with staking, right? So it's not our main money focus. Google makes over $350 billion a year from pay per click, and they make you search to try to find things for a reason, right? The agentic web is different. Every AI portal has a website, has an AI agent online, and has Rails and an MCP where it can actually talk, do buys and sales, schedule appointments, do all the stuff that you need for an agentic web to do, right? So I haven't actually looked back to see if I have. Let me go ahead and turn off my screen share here. Probably don't have a whole lot of people looking at me right now, but wanted to give a little intro. And if you'd like to do subscribe and follow, I'm going to be doing more regular updates on what we're doing, building the $1 billion one person vibe coded software in public. I've been working in the background with my own, programmers for years, but I'm just incorporating those services into my new vibe coded hashtag.org website. If you haven't seen it, go see it, go check it out, go talk to Gigi, go talk to Lucas, give me some feedback, give me a follow, and we'll see you guys on the next one. I'm not even sure how to stop this thing. Share the screen, edit, and stream. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.